Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add shipping address in Shopify. So if you are looking to setting up default shipping location, what you need to do is just go to the settings option and then simply go to shipping and delivery, and then you can simply change the profile of your journal shipping rates, or you can also add some custom shipping rates. So simply click on this new profile button and then enter your profile name and the product that you want to create shipping profile for, and then you can simply change shop location, and then you can also add some shippings to more place. Now if you want to add shipping address for customers order, what you need to do is just in your Shopify admin go to orders and then select the specific order you want to add for shipping address. In orders details page, find the shipping address section and then click on edit. After this, you can add the shipping address fields as you need it. After you have changed the shipping address, simply click on save button to ensure the changes are applied to order. So that's how you can add shipping address in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and sub to my channel.